Not filled with color. Shaded means filled with color.
Very good. Yes. Very good,
Thank you,
Sairash.
ma'am.
Very good. You're welcome. Yes. Anyone else? Is there anyone else who can tell me what do you mean by shaded part and what do you mean by unshaded part? Yeah. Tarini, please unmute yourself.
Shaded part, we have to color it. Not shaded part, it means we don't have to color it.
Is it like we have to color it or we don't have to color it?
No.
Okay, think about it. Very good, Tarini. You are trying. That's really nice. But think about it once again. Shaded and unshaded.
Shaded means we have to Shaded means it's colored. Not shaded means it's not colored.
Okay, very good. Good, Tarini. Very good. Okay, nice. Yes, Arhan.
Unshaded, not colored.
Unshaded part means the part which is not colored. Okay.
Not colored.
Okay, shaded part.
Shaded part, which is colored.
Which is colored. Very good, Arhan. That's really nice. Very good. Anyone else? Anyone else? Yes. Is there anyone else? No? Okay, fine. Yes, Sai, Joshit, Tarini and Arhan. 3 of you gave correct answer. Very good. Well done. Keep it up. Okay. Now, when we talk about the shaded part, this means the part which is shaded. Shaded means the part which is colored. Okay. And unshaded means the part which is not colored, or you can say which is not shaded. If I talk about the first circle, in this circle, first the circle is divided into 3 parts, right? The circle is divided into how many parts? 1, 2, and 3. Yes, the circle is divided into 3 parts, and out of these 3 parts, how many parts are shaded? Shaded means colored. Only 2 parts. You can see these 2 parts are colored blue, are shaded blue. So we can say that 2 parts are shaded. Now, if I talk about the unshaded part, children, you can see this part is white in color. Only one part is white in color. This means that this is the unshaded part of this circle. What does this mean? This means that this part is the unshaded part of this circle. Unshaded means which is not colored, right? Yes, Ashrita?
Completed, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Very good. Okay, I hope this is clear to everyone. Unshaded part means the part which is not colored or shaded. Shaded means the part which is colored. Shaded part means the part or portion which is colored. Okay. So today we will not write fraction for the shaded part. Today we will be writing fraction for the unshaded part. Unshaded means the part which is not colored. Okay. Till now we have written fraction for the shaded part only, but today we'll be writing fraction for the unshaded part. Dhruti.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you get what I said?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me what do you mean by shaded part and what do you mean by unshaded part?
Unshaded part is not shaded.
Not shaded or not colored. Very good. And shaded? Shaded part?
Shaded is shaded.
Shaded or colored, right?
Dark color, yes.
Okay. Dhruti, tell me in first circle, how many parts are unshaded?
First part, ma'am.
First circle. First question. How many parts are unshaded?
2 parts.
Unshaded. Shaded means not colored.
1 part.
Yes, 1 part. And how many are shaded?
2 parts.
Yes, 2 parts are shaded. Very good. Now, we have to write fraction for the unshaded part, Dhruti. So tell me what we will write above the line.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
1 by 2.
1 by 2 or... Okay, 1 we'll write above the line, but below the line. total how many parts are there?
2 parts.
Count all the parts. The circle is divided into how many parts?
3 parts.
3 parts. So what we will write below the line?
3.
Yes, we will write 3 below the line. Okay, now tell me, Dhruti, what is the answer now?
1/3.
Very good. That's the correct answer. Yes, children. So answer for first bit will be 1/3 because there is only one part which is unshaded and total number of parts are 3. So fraction for the unshaded portion will be 1/3. That's the correct answer. Very good, Dhruti. Siddharth,
Ma'am.
second question. And children, remember, we are always writing the total number of parts below the line. Yes, Siddharth, what will be the answer for the second question? Circle.
1 minute, ma'am.
Yeah. Siddharth, look at your screen. This is your second question. This one.
Okay. 1 minute, ma'am. Just 1 minute.
Siddharth, how many parts are unshaded? Come on, tell me.
Okay, ma'am. 5, ma'am.
5. So what will be the fraction for the unshaded part?
5.
We will write only 5.
No, ma'am.
We will write 5 above the line or below the line?
Top of the line.
Above the line, we'll write 5. Okay. Now, what we'll write below the line?
2.
2. Always remember, Siddharth, below the line, we are always writing total number of parts. So tell me.
7.
Yes. The shape is divided into 7 equal parts. So we'll be writing that below the line. Now tell me what is the fraction. Read that fraction.
Okay, ma'am. 7.
Huh? What is the answer?
7, ma'am.
You have to read this fraction all together. First one is 1/3. So what is this second one?
5/7.
5/7. You should know how to read it. Ananya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Third question. What is the fraction? Forget.
4 parts. 4 are there. Unshaded part 2.
Okay. So what is the fraction?
What is the fraction?
2/4.
Very good. That's the correct answer. Very good, Ananya. You're welcome. Answer is 2/4. Very good. That's the correct answer. Good. Keep it up. Advait Gujja, unmute yourself. Yeah, Advait, tell me answer for fourth question.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. In fourth circle, how many unshaded parts are there?
1.
1. And how many? And total number of parts?
5.
5. So what is the fraction for unshaded part? Yes, tell me.
1
Okay, 1.
by 5.
Very good. Yes, children, answer will be 1/5. Very good, Advait. That's the correct answer. Good.
Okay, ma'am.
Ayansh Gupta, unmute yourself. Tell me answer for fifth question. Ayansh? Ayansh Gupta, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Ayansh,
There.
ma'am?
Ma'am.
Ayansh, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Ayansh, how are you?
Yes, ma'am.
Ayansh, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Ayansh, tell me answer to the question. Ayansh, I'm talking about this circle.
3 by 6.
Very good. That's the correct answer. Answer is 3 by 6. The shape is divided into 6 parts, and out of these 6 parts, only 3 are shaded. So answer is 3 by 6. That's the correct answer. Very good, Ayansh. Ketan,
Yes, ma'am.
next question.
Next question.
Yeah, 6 circle, yeah.
There 2 parts.
We have to tell fraction for the unshaded part, Ketan. How many parts are unshaded? 2.
2, 3 parts.
Unshaded parts are how many? See again.
2,
2. And total number of parts?
3,
What is the answer?
3.
Tell me the fraction for the unshaded part.
First one is 2
Okay, then
and 3.
what is the answer?
2, 3, 30.
2 by 3.
2 by 3.
2 by 3. Say 2 by 3.
Ma'am will write a notebook or textbook, ma'am.
Then you have not started writing. You haven't started writing.
I didn't know, ma'am.
What were you doing till now, Ketan? Start writing in your notebook, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Ashwath, please unmute yourself. Ashwath Chakravarti. Ashwath, are you there?
Ma'am, not Ashwath, Arohi, Bhanu and Suryansh are there.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, please send Suryansh first.
Suryansh, come here. Ronald also joined now only, ma'am.
Okay, Ronald is there in class. Okay, fine.
Just now he came.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Suryansh. Yes, Suryansh. Now look at this 7th question. I'll circle it so that it's clear to you. Suryansh, now look at this question which I have circled and now tell me how many parts are unshaded?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 parts.
Unshaded part I am asking. Unshaded means which are not colored. How many parts are not colored?
2.
Not colored. Which are white in color.
5. Not color 5.
5. So we will write that above the line. Now tell me total number of parts.
2.
Count all the parts together, Suryansh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes,
Eight.
ma'am.
Not 8. Count again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. So we will write 7 below the line. Now what is the answer, Suryansh?
57.
5 by 7. What is that?
5 by 7.
Yes, 5 by 7. Okay, thank you. Please send Arohi. Arohi.
Arogi.
Arohi. Arohi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Arohi. Next question. Tell me what is the answer. Unshaded part.
4
This.
by
Very good. 4
4
by.
by 4/6.
Very good, Arohi. That's the correct answer. Yes, children, answer is 4/6. Very good. Arohi, who else is there in class?
Ma'am, Bhanu is there.
Ma'am, please send Bhanu.
Ronald is there. Ronald first come here. Ask Ronald, ma'am.
Yeah.
Come. You sit, Arohi.
Yes, ma'am.
Ronald.